I'm gonna show you how to use Alexa routines to get more done in less time. Here's your Alexa feature to try. Routines are shortcuts for Alexa. They can do a bunch of actions without having to ask for each one individually. Just give a command and Alexa can turn on compatible lights, play some music, give you the news, and more. You can set up routines to activate by voice, time of day, with your smart devices, and even when you turn off an alarm. If you want to get started with routines, but you're not sure which one to try a featured routine. Here's how. Open the Alexa app. Select More from the bottom navigation. Select Routines from the menu. Tap Featured and tap on the name of a featured routine. Then tap Enable and your routine is ready to use. If you want to make your own routine, just tap the plus button on the top right-hand corner, name your routine, choose how you activate your routine, then add your actions. You can also enable a featured routine by voice. Alexa, enable the I'm going on a run routine.
Okay, I'm going on a run routine is enabled.
This routine will prep you for a run with a weather update, a reminder to warm up, and music. Check out featured routines in the Alexa app to enable and start using a routine today. It's as easy as that. Alexa, I'm going on a run.
In Seattle, it's 82 Fahrenheit with clear skies.